That's the view. Heading to the Chiang Kai-Shek. This is exit 5. Oh, you can already see the building. They have a tourist information. There's a guy. Whoa, majestic. It's so huge. So this is the famous
Let's go.
tourist photo background. This is the hall. It's a little windy, sorry for the wind noise. It's a vendo. So whenever you get thirsty, you can buy some water. There's also a little park over there with a fish pond. It has seats, so you can rest if you're already tired. The water 20 to 30. Milk tea, chocolate. Oh, 15. Okay. Let's drop to 50. Fish pond at the back side. Ang squirrel, may guy pa squirrel to ng 1 taon. The squirrels live here. There, if you can take a look, they're running on the branches. There. Now, families can hang around. There's the changing of the guards, and there's a lot of people in there. I just barely glanced, feeling suffocated, so I went out. But look at so changing of the guards 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and it closes 6 p.m. It's such a gigantic hall. It's bigger than Sun Yat-sen. So inside are gift shops. You can buy souvenirs. The restroom is also in here. Okay, so looks like there's a few more chart blossoms left. I've seen a rainbow a while ago. It's almost gone. There. There's much clear view. It's just so pretty.